is Zenia Fernandez, and it is my absolute pleasure to be standing here and welcoming all of you to the listing ceremony of SmartWorks. With this very same energy, it is time for us to invite on stage just the right person who's here to share the inspiring journey of building SmartWorks. She has witnessed its evolution up close from the very first center to now becoming market leaders. Please join me in welcoming on stage the one and only Prerna Jhunjhunwala is here. Prerna, please join me here.
थैंक यू एवरीवन। सफलता की मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है, सफलता की मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है। पंखों में कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों में उड़ान होती है, हौसलों में उड़ान होती है। As I stand here today, I'm not just a part of the SmartWorks family. I'm also the very proud elder sister of two incredible boys, boys who dared to dream and then did the hard work to make those dreams come true. Nitish, I still remember when you were 5 years old, you used to wear a tiny suit, carry Papa's heavy briefcase and announce to the world, I am going to build the next big thing. We didn't realize it then. You actually meant it. And Harsh, you left your McKinsey role behind in the US and joined SmartWorks. Congratulations on leaving behind the comfortable PowerPoint presentation to the panic of project delays. This is the real MBA. They say the biggest revolutions often start in the smallest of spaces. A garage in California gave us Apple. A dorm room gave us Microsoft. SmartWorks began with a bold vision, but with a humble 10,000 square foot office. From a single floor to daring to dream to build campuses, communities, and corporations coming together. Brothers, you have transformed this 10,000 square feet into 10 million square feet. Please give them a huge round of applause. While you can have the best idea in the world, but it is worthless without a team who believes in it as much as you do. Today, as we stand on the steps of the National Stock Exchange, ringing the bell, it is not just a founder's moment. It is a team's victory. Every late night, every tough call, every small win stacked up quietly together over the years. This bell rings for all of you. So congratulations, Team SmartWorks. Give yourselves a huge round of applause. Whoop! You are no longer building just offices. You are building the future. This is your moment. Own it, shape it. Be the engine that transforms the future of India's workspaces.
I'd now like to invite on stage whole-time director, co-founder of SmartWorks. It is only fitting that we invite him to share his joy and his thoughts with us this morning. Executive Director, SmartWorks. Please join me in welcoming Mr. Harsh Binani.
Good morning. Namaskar, everyone. Firstly, thank you very much to Shri Ashish Chauhan ji for gracing this occasion. Thank you to our entire board for being here. Thank you to all our investors for being here, all our banking partners, our clients, and our entire team. Today is a day to celebrate, and we are so grateful that our families are also here today to be present in this momentous occasion with us. When I was young, I read a quote: "Future belongs to those who dare to reimagine it." When SmartWorks started in India 8 years ago, the only option for corporates was traditional offices. We brought in this new age concept of managed office platform and redefined commercial office spaces in India. A space where life comes to work. A space where we make people happy and productive every day of their lives. And today, it feels surreal that in a short span of less than 8 years, which includes, by the way, 2 years of COVID, SmartWorks has become the largest player in this segment. And we are ready today to make our dream public. Thank you, Nitish, for a phenomenal partnership. We are not even 35 yet, and we don't intend to slow down. This is, as they say, we are just getting started and playing big and bold to get the wheels moving even faster. We will be here in 2047 when India will be developed, and we will be here to make SmartWorks one of the largest companies in the world. What you have seen today is just the beginning, and that is what SmartWorks is all about. Thank you and Jai Hind.
I'd like to welcome on stage a visionary leader who's been shaping India's financial markets, and it's an honor to invite him on stage and get his insights that is going to add significance to this momentous occasion. Please join me in welcoming Shri Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Managing Director and CEO of the National Stock Exchange. Welcome, sir.
Shri Ghanshyamji Sarda, Shri Nitish Sarda, Shri Harsh Binani, Sushri Prerna Junjunwala, Shri Sahil Jain, Shri Akhil Kejriwal, Shri Louis Lim Lui, Shri Jaisankar from Kotak, Shri Amitabh Junjunwala, Shri Divakar Agarwal, board members, family members, employees, media personnel, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning and a warm welcome to all of you at NSE for the listing ceremony of SmartWorks Co-working Spaces Limited. We look forward to supporting SmartWorks in its future fundraising endeavors and continued growth. May your journey in the public markets be prosperous and enduring. Thank you. Jai Hind.
To commence the proceedings further, I'd like to invite on stage Managing Director, GM Financial Limited, Mr. Akhil Kejriwal, to please join me on stage and share his thoughts for the SmartWorks team.
On behalf of GM Financial, it's my true privilege to extend a heartfelt congratulations to Nitish, Harsh, the entire SmartWorks team, Keppel and the board for this massively successful IPO. Of course, the journey doesn't end over here just for JM Financial, but we are committed to support the SmartWorks team's entire journey of the listed, lifetime that you all will have, including obviously supporting your post-listing as well, and to deliver fantastic value to the investors and also your clients, who you bring on the table. Again, thank you very much and congratulations to all of you all.
Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And with that, we officially kick off with the But to put everything into perspective, I'd like to invite Nitish to the dais to share his thoughts and deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning and pranam everyone. Thank you so much for joining us on this momentous day here at NSE. Standing here today after ringing the bell to mark SmartWorks' IPO, I feel an overwhelming sense of gratitude, humility and pride. This moment is not just a milestone, it's a reflection of the journey that so many of us collectively here have gone through. I have to thank so many people in this entire process of starting SmartWorks and getting it to where it is today. I want to start by thanking my family. I am deeply grateful for the blessings of my grandfather and my grandmother. I am very grateful for the unwavering support of my family who have stood with me through the stress, celebrated every win, and reminded me what truly matters. To my incredible team, none of this would be possible without you. You believed in the mission before it was mainstream. You stayed hungry, stayed humble, and kept building. To our investors, Keppel-Land, Deutsche Bank, Jagdish Master Family Office, Polycab Family Office, Atul Nishar Family Office, and Ananta Capital. Thank you so much for placing your trust on two young boys and getting SmartWorks to where it is today. It is only because of your guidance that we've been able to reach to the stage that we are at this point. I would like to specially thank our bankers, JM Financial, Kotak Capital, IIFL Capital, Bob Caps, our auditors, Deloitte, CBRE, our legal counsels, Khaitan and Company, and ELP. Thank you so much for being a part of SmartWorks' IPO journey. Last, I would like to thank our clients. Thank you for trusting us with the most valuable resource, your people. We promise to keep earning that trust every day for you. As we enter to this next chapter, we do so with a deeper sense of purpose and bigger canvas. And I promise you, we are just getting started. Thank you all for joining us. Let's keep building the future of work together. Thank you so much.